Okay, so we're at the Splash Landings Resort Hotel at Alton Towers. Basic overview of the bedroom here, but I'm going to go through it in a little bit more detail. So as you come in at the door, I always love showing the door, you have an iron and an ironing board. You've got some space to hang up some clothes here, and you've also got a cot on the floor there. Obviously I don't know how to assemble this because I don't have a child. So this is the bathroom. You have a quite large sink here, you have a toilet, a couple of towels. You also get some like bath gels. You've got body wash here, conditioning shampoo and some bath gel. And you've also got a big bathtub here, which is a little bit kind of 60s with its kind of cartoon style stuff. And you've also got a large full-size mirror here. As we go into the bedroom, got a lot of kind of like storage space here. So in these cupboards, there's no fridge or anything, but it's just a big old storage cupboard. You've got some more storage over here and a chair. You have your kettle and your, oh, I like these biscuits. Biscuits are lovely. And a couple of cups, and you've got a TV over here. You've got a fan as well, which I'm quite looking forward to using because it's really warm today. So this is a family room, so you have two bunk beds, obviously one on top, one on bottom, and the kids get an activity pack as well. So there's one on our bed. Just looks like this. And that's our bed here. And you've also got a telephone by the side of the bed, which looks super old. But yeah, the carpet's proper. I don't know if it's outdated or if it just looks weird because of the colour scheme. We've got a radiator which looks like it needs a bit of a clean. And that's our view. We're on the ground floor, so we've just got a hedge, which is lovely. But yeah, this is the resort here, and please do not feed the squirrels. Ensure windows are closed when leaving your room. So yeah, this is the Splash Landings Resort Hotel here at Alton Towers.